Are Owens Corning shingles really as reliable as people say they are? Or are there any issues that contractors won't tell you about until it's too late? In this video, you'll hear from a roofer who has installed over 1,000 Owens Corning roofs, talk about what holds up, what doesn't, and who Owens Corning Roofing is actually meant for. Stick around if you want the field-tested truth before you make a decision on protecting your home for the next 20 plus years. Hi, my name is Bob Hoel, owner of Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, and over the last 11 years, I've been part of installing over 1,200 Owens Corning roofs. The best part about the Owens Corning shingles, their biggest strength in my opinion, is going to be, there's two things that come to mind. They're sure-nail strip and they are locally made. So the sure-nail strip, once again, is just the nailing zone to get that shingle nailed down on your home and keep it fastened, to your home for longevity. And then also a huge benefit for me is locally, that we can drive down to the Owens Corning plant. I have access to their plant managers and their great support team that if there is ever a problem, they will actually, help us get on it and take care of that for us. Homeowners we work with choose Owens Corning because it's locally made and it's a quality product. So some limitations with these shingles are extreme cold weather installs, steepness of the roof, and also the lifespan. So let's go ahead and talk first about the extreme cold weather install. It's just they're brittle, so they're harder to install, and they're just not really made to install in really cold weather. Next one we're going to talk about is when you have a really steep roof. They're not ideal to install there because it takes some extra precaution, and they're not really made for a really steep roof. When I say steep roof, I'm saying like a mansard roof that's almost like a wall. And then also on the lifespan, if you have a house that you want the roof to last 40, 50, 60 years, your standard duration Oak Ridge Owens Corning shingles, you're just not going to get that lifespan out of them like that. And then your question may be like, what kind of jobs or what kind of roofs are not necessarily, ideal for Owens Corning? It's an asphalt shingle. It's going to wear out in, I would say, 20 to 25 years. So if you have, the family farmhouse that's been in your family for 200 years and you want a standing seam metal that will last 70 plus years, then that's a scenario where maybe an Owens Corning shingle isn't the best for your project. When I'm helping a customer choose between Owens Corning and another brand, a lot of times it comes down to the quality of the product and then also where is it made. So for us, once again, Owens Corning's made 40 minutes from our office. So there's a lot of people like to know that it's made here in East Central Indiana. How do Owens Corning shingles hold up compared to other brands? Owens Corning is one of them shingles that hold up very well, and there are several brands that do not hold up as well as Owens Corning does. IKO, TAMKO, GAF, a lot of times CertainTeed, a lot of times we see them roofs failing prematurely. Customers will usually give us the feedback that they enjoy the color options that Owens Corning has for them. Also, if you ask, what are customers saying a year or two later after their new Owens Corning roof, one thing they enjoy is with the sure-nail strip and the extra sealant, their roof hasn't blowed off. And here in Indiana, that's a lot of high winds. That's always a factor that the homeowner is looking for. On the flip side, have I ever had a homeowner that had an Owens Corning roof and wanted to go with a different brand? And an answer is actually yes. However, once I dug into the original roof, it was around 12 years old and it was actually not installed properly or to Owens Corning specs. So at the end of the day, I don't feel like it really was Owens Corning's fault. However, we did actually install a different brand for that customer. If you are weighing Owens Corning to see if it's a good fit for you, give us a call and we would love to come out and maybe even give you a second opinion. You can reach us at 765 561-4023 or holerr.com. We'll give you straight answers. We'll show you some real life installs, and we will help you compare Owens Corning to any other shingle manufacturer that maybe that you're evaluating right now. Let's make sure your next roof you feel confident in.